So to solve a logarithmic equation, what we want to be able to do is first change this into an exponent form. So knowing how to do that, we got the log 36, or log of x base 36 equals 3/2. I'm going to then change this into 36 to the 3/2 power, because that's the exponent, equals x. So now all I have to do is type this part into my calculator. When you do that, you're going to get 216 equals x. So let's continue to do that same thing. So 16 to the 5/2 power, because that's changing, equals x. We have to just type that into our calculator, which 16 to the 5/2 power is 1024 equals x. All right, the next part is a little bit more difficult because we don't know, this is our x. And since we don't know, it's 3 to the x power equals 3. And we know that's an exponent of 1 when it's not written. When the bases, that's these numbers, are exactly the same, we can just set the exponents equal to each other. So x equals 1. So in this case, the answer is just x equals 1. And so there's our answer. It's a little bit more difficult if you look at our last problem we're going to go through. So if this is our x, I have 5 to the x power equals 125. The difficulty is now is these two numbers aren't the same, so we need to make them the same. To do that, we're going to change the 125 into this base. So it's going to be 5, and we just have to figure out the exponent, which if you can do in your calculator, you can keep going and you'll get 3. Once you change it to exactly the same base, you can then set the exponents equal to each other. In this case, x equals 3, and so our answer is 3.